Welcome to all. This is lecture number 96, I think, most probably. See, previous two classes I have given, actually, previous two classes also revision. Today also revision. Previous two classes, all standard cases I have given. Everything was explained earlier. Then, earlier, lot of problems we solved. In some of the questions, there were too much of loads. When you practice or when you write an examination, either competitive exam or academic exam or even practically also, such multiple loading will not be there. So what you have to do is simple cases, but important from subject point of view. This is 96, maybe 96, 97, 98, 99, and I will touch 100, okay, century. So these 5 classes, marathon, I will give you exercises for calculus support reaction, and remember, maximum will be numericals. Numericals. See, standard numericals. In these numericals, some standard case may come. You observe it. Anyway, if you don't remember standard cases, go for sigma m, sigma v, and sigma h equal to 0. Okay, then. Sometimes, bookwork type question, load given in W or P. But it is not a standard case. That also will be covered. Maximum I will give vertical loading because for SFD, BMD or bending stress chapter, deflection, etc., you require vertical reactions. Horizontal forces has no bending or shearing effect in normal conditions. Actually, secondary effects are there. We are not considering it. Therefore, but in between, once in a while, somewhere in between, I will give horizontal force also. Then find horizontal reaction also. See, we will cover simply supported beams, only vertical reaction, one hinge, one roller, left side hinge, right side roller, or left roller, right hinge, overhanging beam, single overhang or double overhang, cantilever, left side fixed or right side fixed. This all I will do. In some order I will do. I will start from question number 1. Today maybe I will do around 20 questions. That way, 5 classes are there. What you have to do is write the question thoroughly. See, I will tell you what pattern I solve. See, there will be no explanation for this one. No explanation. Because why? It is a revision. Why revision required? Because in strength of materials for SFD, BMD or deflection calculation or later in structural analysis, this is very powerful. At that time, you have to be in a position to find reactions immediately. So, format will be, question will be given with the number. Below, I will put the C, suppose I give one hinge, one roller. One roller, okay. Some horizontal, inclined load is there. Suppose some inclined load is there. Some UDL is there. I will put A and B here. Question, dimensions I will give. Below I will write, see, roller. Maybe inclined load, you are resolving into components. Okay. Then this way. This value I will not write here. Here everything I will write dimensions. Here. Now what I will do is, see, this is a point AB. I won't write AB also once again. See. VA equal to, maybe HA equal to, here it is reaction at B, which is vertical, VB equal to, I will give answer. You first assume reaction, direction. This all you know it. Some rare cases, reaction can come down. Sometimes HA come left side. You can take right side in the beginning. Negative sign will come. Here there is no sign. So these values I am entering here will be based on the sign. But I don't require sign convention all. I will directly do it. But you do systematically. And okay, now I will start. First, initially few easy questions. See, some order I will maintain. See, I will put here question 1. I think one round will have 3 questions. Question 1, here question 2. I think each round I can have question 3. I will go for multiple of 3. Enough space. Okay. Question 1. Simply supported beam. A load 80 kilonewton. See, this actually is a bookwork problem only. 4 meter length. This is 2 meter. That is, it is central load. You can directly put the answer. This is a question. Below, answer. See what I will do. I will show that load, but I won't write once again 4. But actually, in the final answer, you have to write once again 4. Everything you have to write, because why? This is continued for SFD BMD. That we will do later. Okay, now. Forty kilonewton. Question over. Second question. I will put hinge and roller. Okay, done. Just like that. Okay, then one inclined load I will give. 60 kilonewton. Angle is 30 degrees, out of scale. Little inclined more. Okay, 30 degrees, not to scale. AB. Span of the beam is 5 meter. This load contact point is 2.5 meter. Answer. See, now I will do one thing. See. VA equal to RB, because why? Normal reaction, equal to VB. Equal to, here I will not put 60 here. I will replace it by a vertical component and horizontal component. How much component you decide. This is 30 kilonewton, and HA equal to see, I will not come with the prepared question. I am not coming with the prepared question. 51.962 kilonewton. 51.962 kilonewton over. Next question. I will put a roller support here. Hinged support here. And I will give one vertical load. That's all. Nothing else. 50 kilonewton. The span of the beam is 6 meter. From here to the load is 2.4 meter. This is A, this is B. The answer is, see, I should show support here. Hinge and roller. Vertical reaction VB equal to, and reaction at A is perpendicular plane, RA equal to VA equal to, now oh, something wrong. I can make out immediately because calculate the problem. This is 20 kilonewton. This is 30 kilonewton. This is the answer. Someone will tell, sir, hinged support. Okay, if you are that much interested, horizontal reaction equal to 0. It is not there. 0. It is not there. Okay. One round over. I will forget always. 3 questions are over. Second round. Question 4. Question 5. This is a case of eccentric loading. Question 6. I will first try the question number because sometimes confusion for question number. First, I will cover all the point loads. Question 4. 2 point loads of 80 kilonewtons each. Both are 80 kilonewtons. Span of the beam is 7 meter. These distances are given. Both are equal to 2. Okay. 2 meter. This also 2 meter. Both are, this is actually symmetrical case. Okay. Answer. Now see, simple support. So I won't put RB, vertical reaction. VB equal to 80 kilonewton. Both are equal reaction. Reason is known for you. VA equal to 80 kilonewton. Over. Question 5. $40 kilonewton and 50 kilonewton. 40 at 3 meter from here, 50 at 2 meter from here. 3 at 5. Total span is 8 meter. 8 meter. AB. If I don't write also, left is A, right is B. Answer. $52.5 kilonewton. This is a very important question. 37.5 kilonewton. Now what I will do is, I do not want a mistake. I'll check the answer. 40 into 8 means 5. Perfectly correct. Sixth question. I'll do one thing now. One hinge I will give. One roller I will give here. I will give a load of P here. Bookwork. I will give one more load of 2P here. Question 6, I will write here. Question 6. P to P. The total length is L. This distance is L by 3. This distance is 2 by 5L. Okay. And also a horizontal load here of 6P over AB. The horizontal load actually is not required for SFD BMD, but still I will calculate. Hinge here, roller here. Here, reaction at B is vertical, VB. Here, vertical reaction at A. 1 minute. I will give that load other way, so that I always to left side. This time I will give to right side. See, here, right side load of 6P. Then VA, left side reaction will come. HA is guaranteed 6P. Vertical reaction is 1 into 1 by 3 plus 2 into 3 by 5. Out of scale, this reaction is 23 by 15. Or you may get what? 1.5333 like that. I always put ABCD format. 20 by 3 by 15 P. This will be minus 3. 22 by 15 P. 15 times P with the two loads. But I will check the answer. Safer side. Why? No mistake. Sometimes what happens is, due to some small calculator problem, 22 correct. Over. Done. 6 questions are over. Question 7, I'll round off. Question 8, question 9, little this side. I don't want to go to too much that side. Okay. Everything remember. See how you should take an oath now. How fluently he is giving answer. You should develop it. You should study properly, and finally you should tell yourself, one fine day I will also reach the same level. Okay, have that confidence. I'll be very happy if you reach that level. Question 8. Simply supported beam. W, 3W, 4W. This time, this is L, this is L, This is 1.5 L. This also is 1.5 L. Okay, that's all in terms of L. But L is not full, cut L. Okay, so what? One load here, one load here, one load here, out of scale. This reaction is VA, this reaction is VB. Calculator is not on. See, I forgot to switch on the calculator. 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0.5 divided by 4.2 W, or if you were to format 21 by 5 W, 21 5 W or 4.2 W minus into 19 by 5 W. But I'll check the answer. I am taking moment about other point. Any mistake I can make out immediately. Something wrong. 1 is 4 into 1.5 plus 3 into 3 plus 1 into 4 divided by 5. Correct. Okay, perfectly correct. 19 by 5. Now same 3 loads, one numerical. I will give one hinge here, one roller here. But just because hinge is there is no need that horizontal reaction is there. If it is not there, it will not come. 0 will write. 3-point loads. 100 kilonewton. See, when I calculate, I always avoid that decimals, that is 0.333, etc. But here, because to save the time, 100 kilonewton, 150 kilonewton and only 80 kilonewton. Cut distances I will give. 3 meter, 2 meter, once again 2 meter and 3 meter. Answer. AB. I forgot to write AB here. Okay, done. AB. VA equal to VB equal to. This way the class will continue for another 3-4 classes. Everything is for your benefit, remember. Even in the notes also, I will tell there, refer the class and solve. I won't write in the notes also. Why? Because there also I should write same thing. Why? Class is there. 161 kilonewton. Red color is answer. 161 kilonewton minus 250 minus 80. 169 kilonewton. Every time remember, I am checking the answer. So that tomorrow no one should tell answer is wrong. Or correct. Over. Question number 9. I think no, 1 minute. This is also solved earlier. Here what to do, you should know it. I am not explaining now. Just 1 point load of 50 kilonewton. The span of this member is 5 meter. This is 2 meter. AB. Now I should give what is the angle of inclination of this one. I will tell the angle of inclination of this one with the vertical, with horizontal 60, with the vertical is 30 degrees. 60. With the vertical is 60. Answer. These questions are solved in the class. Okay, this question, see. With the vertical 60. So it is actually a little more stiff. Okay. You write that angle. You write that angle. AB is not required. 1 point load given. See here, even if there is only vertical load, there will be horizontal reaction because this reaction will come normal to the plane. This RB is neither horizontal nor vertical. Since it is inclined here, to balance that horizontal component, a horizontal reaction will come here. I know it. You also should know it. Everything is solved earlier. This question is solved. Solve it. Forty kilonewton. 40 kilonewton. Correct, 1 minute. 30 degrees with vertical means 60 with horizontal. Roller plane makes 60 horizontal. It is perpendicular makes 30 with horizontal. Okay, done. So therefore, this reaction is 30 kilonewton. Y means never bother. This reaction is 40 into cos 30. 34.641 kilonewton. Okay, this is question number 9 over. 9 over. Okay, now next round. But after the next round, I will take a small break. Break means what? Even I want some rest. Some will tell, oh, maybe he is studying. Okay, think that way. People who know me, they will never think that way. Offline class, just for fun, I will tell sometime. In the offline class, okay, I will take a break of 5 minutes. I will study for next question and come back. Okay, 9 over 10, question 11, question 12. Now, I will give hinge here, roller here. And this roller is making angle of, say, 40 degree with horizontal. Okay. But this time there is inclined load. Inclined load of 50 kilonewton, which makes an angle of 48 degrees with horizontal. Okay. Answer A, B, C, D. Sufficient. Too much is not required. Yeah, see, I'll come this side. This is hinge. This is roller. Angle you write yourself only. This is A. This is B. This here what I will do is, this I will resolve by a vertical load here and a horizontal component. Now, first I will put this reaction. Then this reaction, normal to the plane. This is RA, perpendicular to the plane. This is VB. This is your HP. It will come left side. Here no reaction. Answer. If further case is there, SFD BMD chapter I will do it. Distance I have not given. See, distances are, this is, forgot to give distances only. 1 minute. Cut distance I will give. This is 3 meter. This is 4 meter. Now, I will resolve the forces now. Vertical component will be, now for my reference, 50 into sine 48. You should not write it. 37.157. Horizontal component is 50 into cos 48. 33.457. 457. In that case, if I take moment about this point, 37.157 into 4 divided by 7 will give the vertical component here. Angle is 40 divided by sine 50 will give this reaction. You never bother how I got. 27.717 kilonewton. Then this load I will not write. This reaction is 37.157 minus 27.717. 9.44. Is it correct? No, I got doubt. 1 minute. Yeah, okay. No, I got some little doubt. 1 minute. No, I'll check once again. 37.157 into 4 divided by 7 is this reaction's vertical component divided by sine 40. Divided by 1 will give what? 21 point something it will give. Okay. divided by sine of 50 will give 27.717, okay, into sine 50 will give 20, something wrong, 27.717 into sine 50 will give 21.232, subtract 37.157. This will be 15.925. See, sometimes it happens, some small problems. Okay. And this component is 27.717 into cos of 50 plus another 33.457. This is something wrong in the calculation. See, 27.717 into cos 50 plus 33.457. 51.273 kilonewton. Now I will do one thing. I will take moment about this point and check the answer. 37.157 into 3 divided by 7. 15.925. Okay, 924 came, 925. Okay. Now, I will tell you now only. See, I am also human being. This calculator is not in good conditions. Sometime I will press a number, it is not activated. I have to change the calculator. I will go for a new brand calculator now. So, by chance, if anywhere answer is not coming, you will let me know the changes in the comment. I will do one thing. I will make one extra class later announcement which all questions answer is wrong. I will tell the correct answer. I will go through the classes. If at all you point out that one. So I will change it and give answer. But I will see that it does not happen. Okay, now, sufficient point load. I will go to now UDL. Simply supported beam. AB of span 5 meter. UDL of 60 kilonewton per meter. Okay, this is not a question first of all. This is first of all not a question. Still it is required. Because I am covering everything. Complete chapter I am covering. VB equal to VA. No horizontal reaction now. R3 30. Sorry, Kannada language. It came. See, actually, when I want to calculate, I can calculate only with Kannada. I can't calculate. See, 60 into 5. This 5 meter, I forgot to write clearly. 5 meter. 60 into 5 is total 300 kilonewton. Divide by 2, 150. No. Actually, this multiplying, dividing, if I am doing myself, it is always mother tongue language. I will tell R5 300, 300 by 2, 150. Okay. 60, 5, 300, बटे 2, 150. Okay, leave it now. Next. One hinge, one roller. Maybe hinge roller is not required. See, if horizontal reaction is not there, but I will give it. See now. This way. This is a standard case. See, this is a standard case. This is also standard case. 80 kilonewton per meter. Length is 8 meter. This loaded length is 4 meter. Okay, now answer. Hinge here, roller here, VB equal to, VA equal to, actually not required, HA equal to 0. 8 ಆಗಲಿ 32, 320 ಅಂತ 8 ಆಗಲಿ 32. So 80 kilonewton here and 320 kilonewton here. That's all. I don't require calculator. Okay, checking not required. I will just verify it. 320 into 2 divided by 8. 80, correct. Now, question number up to 9. 12 questions are over. 1 minute. I will go for little more now. 1 minute. I check the recording. Sometimes what happens is, do some technical problem in the camera, suddenly recording goes off. Oh, it is active. Then what all I talk is fully wasted. It happened many times. Some problem in the camera. Wait a second. Here. 10, 11, 12 over 13, 14, 15. Question 13, question 14, question 15. I have to put the ink also. I'll take a break after this round. Simply supported beam, this way span, this side half load of, now total load given, see, be careful, total load given is 200 kilonewton. This length is, this is half the length, exact center, AB. This length is 3 meter, this is 6 meter. Answer. Now calculator is not required. VB equal to VA equal to 150 kilonewton and 50 kilonewton. Remember, this also is standard case, but this is not standard case. See, only partial length, that's all. Partial length this side of 3 meter, span is 10 meter. This is not standard. 10 meter, UDL of 40 kN per meter. AB. Answer. VA equal to VB equal to, I think I can do directly. 4 12 120 into 1.5 180, 18 kilonewton. Correct? Not 18. 120 into 3, 1.5 is 180. Yes, 18 kilonewton, correct. 18 kilonewton. VA equal to 120. Anyway, I'll check the answer. See, sometime small problem. Correct actually. 40 into 3 into 1.5 divided by 10 is 18. Minus 40 into 3 is 102 kilonewton. Checking is not required. 40 into 3 into 8.5. 102. Now, one more question. Hinge and rope, simple support. And this side UDL or little more length. See, not up to center, some randomly from there starting UDL. But some gap here, see, right side gap, here left side gap. Length is 8 meter. This gap is 2 meter. UDL of 20 kilonewton per meter. AB. I think I have to put the ink also. Okay, no problem. I'll take a break now. You can make out because I'll pause the recording. You think immediately I'm doing it. VA and VB. 120 into 3 divided by 8. 45 kilonewton minus 20 into 6 is 75 kilonewton. I will check the answer. 20 into 6 into 2 plus 3 is 5. 6, wrong. See, 20 into 6 into 2 plus 3 is 5 divided by 8. It's correct. 75 correct. Divided by 8. I divide by 10 meter. Okay. This is question number up to 15 over. Okay, 1 minute. I will start. Anyway, you can't make out that one. I have to put the ink and change that. I will manage myself only. I don't have done. If it is a live class, I have to tell them small break. Here, how you know it's a break? Because why? I am pausing the recording. Okay, now 16th question. See, 17th question. I will tell something special. 18th question. Sometimes question will be given in terms of L, but not standard book work. It is not standard case. L. See, a load will be given. W per unit length. AB. Length is not midpoint, partial length. This is, I will give you 2 by 5L. Then here, I will give load here. Here I will give you total load equal to 6W or 6P this time, okay, P. Total equal to 6P, so not P, 6P. So any number will do some number, okay. Total equal to 6P. This length is 0.6L. 0.6L. Here, intermediate length. This length is L by 3. From here to here is L by 5. W per unit length. Okay, now answer. AB, I forgot to write ABA everywhere. I should write actually not required. In future, if I forget means left side is A, right side is B. A, B. Okay. A, B. See here. This is to show the loading, L by 5. Okay. VB, VA. VB, VA. VB, VA. See, in this question, they given 2 by 5L. That means they do not want decimal. You write in the same pattern. Now, 2 by 5 equal to square, calculator is not on. 2 by 5 is 0.4. 0.4 square divided by 2. That's all. Some problem in the calculator, mode 1. Okay. 0.4 square divided by 2 is 2 by 25. 2 by 25 WL. 8 by 25 WL. Or if you go to fraction, it will be 0.32. I'll check the answer. 2 by 5 into bracket 1 minus 1 by 5 is correct. Here they told decimal. So what I will do, since they told decimal 0.6L, we will also write the answer in terms of decimal only. 6 into 0.3. 6 into 0.3 is 1.8. This is 1.8 P. By PL is not there because 6P is the total load. Intensity will become 6P by 0.6L. Be careful. Total load given 1.8 P minus 6. This is 4.2 P. Checking is not required because 0.6 square divided by 2 is 0.18. Correct? 6 into 0.3. Yes, 1.8. Here answer. 1 by 3 into bracket 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6. It is 11 by 90 P. 11 by 90 WL. Here minus 1 by 3. 19 by 90 WL. I will check the answer. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3 is total something, minus 1 is 7 by 15. So 1 by 3 into bracket 7 by 15 plus 1 by 6 is perfectly correct. Why I am checking? Because I do not want a mistake. Now up to 18 over. Question 19. This I should be careful because this is where I get confusion for me. For me, no subject confusion, question number confusion. Some will tell, see, he is only giving question with the answer. Why he is talking in between? Because if I don't talk anything, silently write, it is against my teaching habit. What happens is, you also feel bored. Simply like a dummy or machine, he is writing the question. So, in between I'll keep talking so that you can hear the voices. Sometimes I will murmur myself only, how I am calculating. You can observe what I am doing also. Now, one numerical for partial UDL. 10 meter, 3 meter, 2 meter. Okay. Load is 60 kilonewton per meter. AB. Answer. Into 3 plus 5, 8. 320 kilonewton. 280 kilonewton. I will check the answer. 600 into 7 divided by 15. Perfectly correct. Okay. Now, only UDL case over combination. See, hinge and roller once in a while. Hinge and roller. Full UDL and a central point load. 50 kilonewton central point load and UDL is 8 kilonewton per meter. Central load, this is on the 6 meter, this is 3 meter. AB. Answer. Hinge and, I should write hinge and roller. See, hinge and roller. If remember this question, if you calculate horizontal reaction, it will be 0. Vertical reaction VA, reaction at B is normal to the plane VB equal to 50 plus 8 into 6, total 98 divided by 2. Y means you calculate 49 kilonewton. Sigma m is not required, but you do usual way. 49, correct? 48, 58, 98 by 2. 49, correct. Now, 21 is also same case. But the load is not center, load is eccentric. This time, UDL, I will give total load. Total equal to 90 kilonewton. Span is 10 meter. A point load of 100 kilonewton at 3 meter from here. See, these numbers all I write whatever comes to my mind. AB. Vertical reaction VB, vertical reaction VA. 90 into 5 plus 100 into 3 divided by 10. 75 kilonewton. See, one fine day, you can also have the same fluency. There is nothing impossible. Or I check the answer, safer side. 90 into 5 plus 7. Perfectly correct. So, no chance of mistake here. Next, 21 over 21. Okay, I'll remember. I'll turn there. After some time, I'll stop today because today is Sunday. I took a marathon class from 5 o'clock up to 10 o'clock. Now it's actually midnight. So, maybe I'll stop after one or two rounds. Next class, no problem because there is no classes. I got a breathing time tomorrow. So I can engage or I can take class little more time. 21 over. Question 22. Question 23. Question 24. Okay, I'll do 1 or 2 rounds more. Once again 10 meter, my favorite. UDL and 2 point loads. UDL is 20 kilonewton per meter. Point loads are 60 kilonewton and 75 kilonewton. This is at 4 meter from here. This is at 3 meter from here, out of scale. I am not maintaining too much of scale. Answer. See, when I give simple support, I write V. When I give roller support, I write R, then V. Reason I told you. 60 into 4 plus 75 into 7 plus 20 into 10 into 5 divided by 10. 176.5 kilonewton. Every question I am checking because I do not want that comment of answer wrong. Minus 200, minus 75, minus 60. 158.5 kilonewton. Check the answer. 75 into 3, 60 into 6 plus 200 into 5. Correct. 23. Now I am changing the pattern. See. Changing the pattern. UDL here and point load here. See. UDL of 8 kilonewton per meter and point load of 50 kilonewton. Span is 5 meter. 5 meter. UDL length is for 3 meter. This is 1 meter. AB. Answer. This is all very, very important question. Everything you have to practice. VA, VB. See, I told you, total question will go beyond 100 or 150 by the time I finish it. 8 into 3 into 1.5 plus 50 into 4 divided by 5. 47.2 kilonewton. 26.8 kilonewton. But I am checking the answer. 50 plus 24 into 3.5 divided by 5. 26.8, correct. Now, I will give next question. Simply suppose once again, UDL this side. One point load here and one more point load here. 100 kilonewton, 90 kilonewton. This is 20 kilonewton per meter. Total length of beam is anything 7 meter. Okay, one fraction. This is 4 meter. 3 remaining. This is 1 meter. Now fraction will come. Unavoidable. Answer. This is AB. VA equal to VB equal to, I forgot to write the loading here. See, actually not required. Usually I show the loading just to give respect to subject. See. 90 plus 300 plus 24 into 5 divided by 7. Now fraction will come. Nothing can be done. VB equal to 112.857 kilonewton. I am writing third decimal accuracy. Minus 80 minus 190. 157.143 kilonewton. Check the answer. 80 into 2 plus 100 into 4 plus 90 into 6 divided by 7. Correct. Every time what I do is safer side. I do not want any mistakes. So better check the answer. It will not take much time. 24 over. I should not forget it. 24 over. Okay. I will bring up to 30 today. Even if I am feeling a little tired, up to 30 I will go today, so that it will reach a stage. You can do the questions then. That next time I will do up to 50 questions also. 24 over. Question 25. Question 26. Question 27. UDL and a point load here. 100 kilonewton. This is 18 kilonewton, 18 in some number, whatever comes to mind. 18 kN per meter. Beam span will take 10 meter to avoid fraction. 10 meter. This loaded length is 6 meter. 4 meter left out. This is 1.8 meter fraction. And this distance is 2 meter. Answer. AB. AB. The loading is 100 into 3.8, 100 into 3.8 plus 18 into 6 into 1.8 plus 3 divided by 10. 89.84 kilonewton. 89.84 kilonewton. This reaction minus 18 into 6 minus 100. 118.16 kilonewton. I'll check the answer. 6 plus 1 is 7.8 means it's 2.2. Okay. 18 into 6 into 2.2 plus another 3 plus 100 into from 10 subtract 3.8 divided by 10. Correct. 26. Partial UDL at both ends 1 point loads each. 50 kilonewton, 60 kilonewton, and this time I will give you total load. Total load equal to 80 kilonewton. This is 4 meter. And this gap both are different. 1 meter. This is 2 meter. Little out of scale. Manage it. AB. A little out of scale. Okay, no problem. Answer. Into 1 plus 80 into 1, 2, 3 plus 60 into 5 divided by 7. Oh, fraction. Something went wrong. 50 into 1 plus 80 into 1, 2, 3 plus 60 into 5 divided by 7. 127.857 kilonewton. This reaction minus 110 minus 80. 62.143 kilonewton. I'll check the answer. 60 into 2 plus 80 into 2 plus another 2 is 4 plus 50 into 6 divided by 7. Correct. I'm getting 105. Why? Something went wrong. 118. I'll check once again. 50 into 1 plus 80 into 1, 3 plus 60 into 5 divided by 7 is, this is wrong. See, 84 point, see I can make out 286 kilonewton, some calculator problem. 84.286 minus 110 minus 80 is 84 point, calculator problem, minus 110 minus 80 is 105.714 kilonewton. Now I'll check the answer. 60 into 2 plus 80 into 2 plus 2, 4 plus 50 into 6 divided by 7. Correct. Okay, now I will leave this one now. Next question. Point loads over, mix of point UDL over. Now I will go for uniformly varying load. Okay. Be careful. This is a standard case only. 60 kilonewton per meter. AB. This is a standard case. So, but you solve, length is 5 meter. Answer. This time I don't require calculator. 60 into 5 divided by 6. 50. This reaction VA equal to 50 kilonewton. This reaction VB is 100 kilonewton over 100 kilonewton for this loading. Correct? RI 300. Correct. RI 150. Perfect. Correct. No doubt checking. Why should I check it? If I check it, somebody will be laughing. 27 over. Okay, last round now. Today's class last round. Up to 30 over. Okay. I will stop because feeling tired. 30 questions are quite a huge number. Okay. I'll prepare for 3 questions, then give the answer. 1 minute. Again, this is a book work. Question number 28. 28. Question 29. Ink has become a little blur. Okay, 30. I will manage to change the pen. Question 30. This also is standard case. This also is standard case. This is not standard case. I'll do one thing now. AB, I will put up to here, that's all, partial length. This is 90 kilonewton per meter. This is 5 meter. This is another 3 meter. Not 90, I will make 36 kN per meter, so that fraction is eliminated. Okay. Here it is 20 kilonewton per meter. Span is 4 meter. The maximum is center. Both are 2 meter, 2 meter. AB. Here I will give other way, because last time I gave this way. Now I will give this way. This is standard case. Now I will give total load. Total equal to 90 kilonewtons. The total given, be careful. Actual length is not required. Length is 5 meter. Okay, start. Answer. VA equal to VB equal to, with this loading. With this loading, VA equal to VB equal to. This all I explained earlier. Why should I write numericals once again? VA equal to VB equal to. See how much effort I am putting so that people can solve and get control. You should utilize the opportunity. So here 90, so Y calculator for it. 90 means 30 kilonewton here, 60 here. Y means you don't bother. You two Y's usually. 24, 40, 20 kilonewton here and 20 kilonewton here. 24, 40, 20. Illi 36 into 2.5 is the total load into 2 by 3 of 5 divided by 8. 37.5 kilonewton here minus 36 into 2.5. 52.5 here. 1 minute, I'll check the answer. Half into 5 into 36 into 3 plus 1 by 3 of 5 divided by 8. Perfectly correct. Over. Okay, I will end today's class. So total 30 questions are given. How or in what fluent way I got the reaction. You practice, get the answer. Each and every time think what you are doing. I am so sure one fine day you can reach the same level. Try it. You should have that zeal. Or you should think, yes, I also want to master the subject. I am not telling I am the master, but I got quite good knowledge. Okay. Thank you.